Hi everyone, and welcome to the world of modern technology. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and exciting AI models to emerge from Google Labs, Google Gemini. So, what is Google Gemini? Now, you might be thinking, another new AI tool, just like the others. But Gemini is not an ordinary language model. It's a revolutionary game changer. While all previous AI models understand and process text such as text to image, text to video, etc., Google Gemini is capable of understanding and working with different types of information like text, code, audio, and even images and videos. Think of it as a superpowered brain that can juggle different languages, solve complex problems, and even create art from all sorts of media rather than text only. So, Gemini can understand music, paintings, and even movies. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for how we can interact with and utilize AI. Now, let's get down to the practical side. What can Gemini actually do? The list is quite impressive and is growing day by day, such as create code like a pro. Gemini can understand, explain, and even generate code in various programming languages. Imagine having an AI co-pilot who can help you scan through your code and debug, suggest improvements, or even write it from scratch. Unleash your creativity. Need a catchy slogan for your ad campaign? Want to write a poem in the style of your favorite author? Gemini can help you generate creative text formats, from poems and scripts to musical pieces and emails. Search with superpowers. Forget clunky keyword searches. Gemini can understand the context and meaning behind your queries, leading you to more relevant and insightful information. Imagine searching for a specific scene in a movie or finding scientific papers that answer your exact question. Become a data detective. Gemini can analyze massive data sets of text, code, and images, uncovering hidden patterns and insights that would be invisible to the human eye. This opens up doors for scientific breakthroughs, business intelligence, and personalized recommendations. So, technically there is only one Gemini model, but it has 3 different configurations tailored for different needs and environments. Gemini Nano. This is the smallest and most efficient version, designed to run on devices like the Pixel smartphones. It's optimized for tasks that require efficient AI processing without connecting to external servers. Gemini Pro. This is the middle version, which is already insidebarred, along with various Google AI services. It runs on Google's data centers and can handle a wider range of tasks than Nano, including code generation, creative text formats, and more complex queries. Gemini Ultra. This is the largest and most powerful version, designed for highly complex tasks and data analysis. It's primarily used in research and development and is not yet widely available. Gemini is still under development, but its potential is truly revolutionary. Imagine a world where AI assistants can seamlessly understand your needs and preferences not only as text but other media types such as audio and video, where education is personalized based on your individual learning style, and where scientific discoveries are accelerated by AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data. The possibilities are endless, and Google is actively exploring ways to responsibly and ethically integrate Gemini into various applications. So, how can a beginner start utilizing Google Gemini and implementing it in practical ways? That's what will follow after this video. Therefore, subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss relevant videos. Bye for now.